This video is brought to you in association with Crafts Beautiful, the UK's favourite crafting magazine. For exclusive subscription offers, visit www.craftyclub.net.
Hi there, I'm Emma Ward and I'm pleased to welcome you to our FIMO series brought to you by the Crafts channel. I'm joined today by Corinne Bradd, who's going to be showing us how to make Spotty FIMO buttons. So Corinne, tell us about it. What do we need to do?
Very easy. Buttons for any sort of knitwear or to dress up plain clothes. As long as your FIMO is about sort of 2 to 3 millimetres thick and you've baked it properly in the oven, they're really, really hard wearing. Glaze of varnish will make them look really shiny.
Fantastic.
And you can make some fantastic little buttons. Just very quickly, take a piece of FIMO, roll it out to about sort of 3-4 mil thick.
Okay.
Okay. We'll take another colour, just a bit of white. Okay, roll that. Oh, let's take that blade off there. Roll this into a thin sausage shape. Okay. And then using a sharp tissue blade.
Okay.
Okay, just cut lots and lots of tiny slices from this sausage. Okay. Don't poke your eye out with the scalpel. If you lift them off the blade with a scalpel and just pop them at random over the surface of your base clay. Leave a bit of a gap in between each one because you're going to roll over this in a minute.
Okay.
Just to flatten the surface. Okay. Obviously, if you're making lots of buttons, you do this on a much bigger piece of clay.
Yeah.
Because you do the whole lot together to save time. Let's cut a couple more slices just to fill this gap up here. What you'll notice is this hasn't come out completely circular. If you want completely circular buttons, what I recommend you do is you roll the cane and chill it in the fridge for a couple of minutes, for about 10 minutes. And each time you cut it, rotate it quarter of a turn.
So you don't get a flat
So you don't
edge.
get a flat bottom to it. Don't want a flat bottom. And then all you do is simply roll over it. Lift it and roll.
Yeah.
Take a baking surface. An ordinary household tile is fine for this. Lay your FIMO on it. Cut it out with a circular cutter. Okay, take away that. Look how well that was planned.
That was very good.
Are you impressed? And then all I've done is I've taken a double-ended needle and just make your holes. If you cut it on the tile, what it means is it will actually stick to the tile. So when you make your holes, it doesn't flap around.
Okay.
And then, as I say, you create buttons like this once it's baked. You bake it for about half an hour at 110 degrees centigrade in a domestic oven. And then what you can also do is, before you varnish them, you can just go around the edge with a nail file. So if there's any odd bits from where you've cut it, it smooths it off. And you make fantastic little spotty buttons.
Fantastic. Thanks for that, Corinne. Well, that's all the time we've got for today, but make sure you come back and see the next instalment of our FIMO series, brought to you by the Crafts channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.